In practical terms, it could mean that when there is an outbreak, the National Joint Outbreak Response Team that everyone speaks about goes there. Students, when you will do an enterprise search or a Google search, you will find that there are a lot of incidents which occur for which it is very difficult to find an immediate cause. We had people dying in one part of the country, Rajouri, Jammu. We had mysterious hair fall incidents in one part of the country in Maharashtra, Buldhana district. We have brain fever cases occurring in any another part of the country in Kerala. Why are these incidents occurring? At some place, it may be connected to the food we are eating. It could be connected to the pesticides that we are consuming. It could be related to the way the sewage is being disposed into the village water ponds and other water bodies. So, human health is very related. Why did COVID occur? A lot of research has gone into what caused the pandemic to occur. It was the bats, no, Dr. Behel. So it came from wildlife, or it came from research occurring on wildlife. When you look at all these factors, you realize that we are not isolated. We are deeply interconnected with each other, whether it be the animals, whether it be the plants, or whether it be the environment. And this is the reason where across the globe we are talking about one earth, one health now.